Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of floral arrangements with the TBPA Floral Foam Garland. If you're looking to elevate your floral designs, this might just be the best floral foam garland on the market. The TBPA Floral Foam Garland is designed for both wet and dry floral arrangements, making it incredibly versatile for any occasion, whether it's weddings, home decor, or creative crafts. The foam quickly absorbs water, similar to a sponge, ensuring your flowers stay fresh and vibrant for longer periods. With a unique cylindrical netted cage design, your floral arrangements stay secure. Whether you're creating wreaths, centerpieces, or elaborate decorations, it's pre-cut into manageable pieces, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a seasoned florist or just starting out, you'll find it easy to work with. From simple home decorations to grand event setups like wedding arches, the TBPA Floral Foam Garland adapts to various creative needs. Start by soaking the foam in water. Watch as it quickly absorbs water and expands, ready to support your floral designs. Whether you're arranging fresh flowers or crafting artificial bouquets, the foam provides a stable base for your creativity. Thanks to its high water retention rate and sturdy structure, your floral arrangements will maintain their beauty longer, even in dry environments. In conclusion, if you're serious about floral design or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your space, the TBPA Floral Foam Garland is a must-have. Its versatility, durability, and ease of use make it stand out in the crowded market of floral supplies. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and creative tips. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.